Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can delete our account on Angel One. So for that you need to keep some things in mind, which is that before closing your account or deleting your account, make sure that you sell all your shares that you have in your account. So after that, all the fund that is mobilized from selling your shares, just get it out before deleting your account, as you can use that fund further. And for deleting the app, you need to click on your profile section, and after that click on contact us, and then a pop-up will appear for further help. Just click on need further help, and after that in the search box search for close account, and you will be provided with information to close your account. So basically you will have to send an email to support of Angel One team, and the email is support at angelbroking.com, and you have to just provide your client id and your Gmail account, and after that you have to provide the reason for closing your account. And for that you can say that you don't have enough funds to invest, and that's why you are looking forward to close your account. And after that they will be able to delete your account and erase your information, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.